If you play rock, blues or metal, then you would have played the notes of the blues scales many times in the riffs and bass lines. Do you recognise this riff? Well, it's the unison riff at the end of Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses. The whole band plays this riff and it's just based on the blues scale. What about this? Well, that's Sunshine of Your Love by Cream, and that just uses the blues scale as well. Both of these riffs are pretty much straight copies of the blues scale. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to turn the pentatonic scale into the blues scale with the addition of just one note. You can get a free copy of the lesson PDF with all the fret diagrams on it that I'm going to show you. Just click the link below this video in the description. When someone talks about the blues scale, then they invariably mean the minor blues scale. There's actually a major and a minor blues scale, but we'll look at the minor blues scale first. Let's quickly refresh the minor pentatonic scale. We'll do it on G. So it's got 5 notes, but we put the G on top as well. That makes 6, but a pentatonic scale has 5 notes. Okay. Now we can turn that into the blues scale by adding the flattened 5th. Okay, which is here, okay, and this is the minor blues scale. Try that with me slowly. Get ready on G. 3 and 4 and 1. Now we do have another way of playing that pentatonic scale. Okay, this one. It uses the same notes, but we just play the 3rd here. If we want to turn that into the blues scale, we just add the flat 5th again. Okay, so that's the same scale but just in a different position. If you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And if you click the bell and select all, you'll get notified as soon as I release a new video. So as you can see, it's really easy to convert the pentatonic scale into the blues scale. I'll now show you the major blues scale. So let's start with G major pentatonic. Now you can play it like this, but we'll use this pattern for this video. So you just shift here, okay, G to A, and then you play like this box shape as it's called here. Okay, just remember to shift there. So try that with me. 3 and 4 and. So that's the major pentatonic, G major pentatonic scale. We can turn that into the major pentatonic scale by using the flattened 3rd this time, which is here, okay? And we get this scale. Okay, so the additional note that we add is different for the major pentatonic than for the minor pentatonic. So for the minor pentatonic, we add the flat 5. For the major pentatonic, we add the flat 3. Try that with me. Okay, we're going to play this. So 3 and 4 and. So download the free PDF and practice these different shapes. Once you know them on G, then change them to start on different root notes. Once you know the sound of the blues scales, then you'll start to hear them everywhere. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought of the lesson, and if you had any light bulb moments, it would be great to hear them. So just leave me a comment below. And if you felt you got value out of this lesson, you can always buy me a coffee. They're $5. The details are on the bottom of the screen here, or you can click links in the description. You can also really help me out by liking and sharing this video and subscribing to my channel here on YouTube. Also, don't forget to check out my website, gbshed.com. I've got loads of bass courses, books, details of my membership, one-to-one lessons, and some free resources. So that's gbshed.com. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next video.